Utie oha extra punk no.
Needs FM.
But all the bet was one I remember Jibril so na Jibril Attorney General wa nominate Yerakisi Jabense Office of the Special Prosecutor after Alamisi Ben Kaiser Amidu ofri hono ono ena osefata se yebegina tum no be special prosecutor.
Okay. Mami for kunya so nchia because manchia before starting the program. We for kunya we nchia your listeners and special prosecutor say Attorney General because of what being into what nominati will be based on recommendation into it makes Kisi the best prosecutor there, and I think we got it wrong because regulations a guide the appointment of a special prosecutor no a recommendation by the AG. Whoever AG will be, he will recommend special prosecutor. It doesn't matter who the person is. That office no and I recommend the find a special prosecutor. Enti enye ni pardon where now people think that because of they were recommended in a way my friends saying we have been a law munti. So I recommend we have gotten the best person of it. For me, again, on the issue of that person, I haven't read much of him. But before the number TT from the own MPP side, talking about that man, say, until somebody prove him wrong or somebody take him to court to charge his as some kind a character assassination, say, Papa no, we're a criminal. Then I'll take it from that.
Is that what Kennedy Japan said?
He says he hates criminals. He says until say be on Nankasambe fight here no, and answer Kennedy say he hates criminals. Yes, he hates.
That is the criminal court.
In fact,
now lawyer for me say.
Let me say.
Huh?
Okay.
Lawyer for me say. We will say we are pass with the course.
I'm saying to say until say ABR always spelling said I mean my senior brother spelling say criminals now will defend your mono. Or no dear will be back out now a criminal no a court into no way I have no problem with that one. But this is what somebody have said on him. But be as it may. Then Mr. say I say information to say where a lawyer Emma Gabi Ochredako. If that one too is true. Say no say ampa. The purpose for the special prosecutor it's not matter of say be family and say will be family, but there's a reason for that office. In fact, when Ronaldo was appointing Mach Amidu, some backgrounds be, I can say, we share Amidu, baby original no, when baby what's some mind gun and some political party. It doesn't support any political party. What we can't any party. What can't any party can't MPP. So he's one person now. Oba or Ghana more. Or Dinemu also Ghana. So it's qualifying him to be that person. Yes, idea. Nanka MPP as someone. Nanka MPP will be already about. That is the explanation Ronaldo gave us. And Ghanaians supported him and gave him opportunity. Say Matamidu Enko. So today, it's Ronaldo telling us, say, there's nobody. Somebody may say Jumano and that link to political party. Say Ghanaian, so what you mean? I hope no so. Because the office of special prosecutor no is transit beyond the mandate of the president. Because you are pointing on the time in sign when free ho. This is what the folks say. I bind on in the Jumano why you corrupt. No, I can see me here Jumani bio. Say my time do you say and now do I buy no. No send I was sumo over sumo my now do corrupt into 20 years Juma and he resigned. Now so anybody that is why now people are even raising issues say that those issues now my time to raise here no. Anybody who loves Ghana and you go there and doesn't work on that to say be ye Juma it means say who there only corruption and now do it's a test. It's a test to Kisi because at the end of the day then once now do appoint you know, he has appointed him because on that power to appoint him. The minister don't appoint Emma recommendation no. Now do not appoint to no. So that those recommendations to give him, that is not the issue. But say, one free Obi for office. I am say Gabi office. And the Gabi ni lawyers ni issues wa. Ya ne bida. Okay, say Ejapa started ye no. Gabi issue ebe mu. Meboa. I don't know I didn't go see you. Gabi ni fem ebe mu. Amangana kasi because of Gabi ni fem be mu no ebe ha adwen and then me no ka say Ejapa as our parliament say ye be sabio. So if Gabi no answer obi an ye lawyer ebe ye special prosecutor, who is he going to prosecute? Is it going to be a witch hunt to another political party? And I say truly 4 years now the government now yeka about corruption about the Japano, you going to follow that program. And these are questions that people will raise. But far where I sit, and many Ghanaians what they have seen, the friends say them level any matamidu where ALB are best preventing and now do in what they are doing. Because me who CID boss Obano a friend say Tiwa tell my A+ voice in the bar out. What catch A+.
So your former CID boss.
Someone what say me yeah they will go and now do in you say. So and sharing who said no. She stayed there for long. Sate no CID and young way Jumada. Anna. Majority person and Kauno yes our video tape and Cabana invite you a CID force. But you are going to because it's favoring the president. It is a next the power who is close to Gabi or Chiredakun, who is his lawyer. And Gabi is also the family brother of the president. MPP, among for breakers, were de facto prime minister for the MPP government, Then we have a problem. But the question, why do you appoint somebody that will have this such question in this position? Opportunity to obey Wejuma. Because now they appoint the board of head of the COVID fund. Former chief of staff chief justice, Okay, I said because of Juma power, Mammy no one pay beer or my own this guy is counting now. What they go to? But Brantia way dear. I have no problem with a young man given the opportunity. But they should tell us idea why to warrant sending an audio explaining about the matamidu issues, But about the age, dear, what I had matamidu appointing no club will be the court. Say the age no comment now so age is not an issue now. But baby, a free air banner. Any Juma or Bayano.
Who said there will be conflict of interest?
Any conflict of interest is a protection of the corruption. What do you obey? Demlevu. What can I say against your friends government on terms of the auditing? You free or no deputy acting. Oba no be clear friends senior minister. Me boy. Issue no I money when you free or no call leave Acting attorney auditor by or clear no. So I will not be surprised where Oba no be clear and now do crown for no echo. Because once now the first time now we are clearing agent Lankasa in the first term if you say we bring into a more clearing agent with me corruption yama to block it. But we are here to see. But when it comes to Nanado and his appointment in terms of all those things that to prevent corruption, when you don't speak towards him, when you don't act towards him, then you are not going to good because my whom they didn't give him I want to see say we are banner on the man office and I say baby my time me do juma no a omkasa no ona be juma they be my time me do juma no a omka they gave him everything no and now be whatever they are doing that time omkasa my time me do wrong now president be can once we want to on that one whether you stand on the legs of Matamidu or you stand on the leg of president there president there and for me on these issues there Nanado now appointment and last time into a clearing agent agenda number to just clear because I catch them now to say time appointing fence Matamidu. Yes, it's someone who can obey he didn't give me work chance to do.
How?
And we told him say woman no kwano ene juma Matamidu, we know him.
Now did the president interfere in his work?
That's why did he resign?
No.
Oh, document no. Wait, there's a minimum I own him. Document no. Document I say government they say I'm a challenge you. What secretary of the president say who need to me I'll be me. Okay. What's the wow Casalu small way game on no who need to me no. But I am no politics or the air politics secretary in the air politics or catch in the constitution. You don't have the right to do it. But when the party now so the government I say party and argument you would act.
But sir, as a special prosecutor, you did 2 million amount. Said do this. Do your investigation. Why did he inform the president first?
Why did the chief minister of finance went to his house?
That one they said, no, one man can.
You wouldn't fear your office. I wouldn't say your culture of Ghana. So people fear pay some be able to cast a match and I can't stand and can see.
I know. I
tell you only say it should be
about the information, bro.
Me see, yeah, got on wine or mine. Say you should start it, but now obi bo fear pay. I don't know the punchy and I banchy and I bro.
To be an hunisa.
Oh, I see. I never see the idea of the Bible when yes, Christ about Canada. And you may be a repetition. So that's the thing. In the Minister of Finance, or where I done with you. On a Japan. Has he ever go to, as the Minister of Finance ever visited that man before a Japan? Has he ever visited him? Say, they are appointing as a special prosecutor, no? Wafaka, I couldn't feel Chialada. Or couldn't feel because of Japan. So, if somebody has gone there, what I can say, a president to be by me fear because on some he has the right to do that. So those issues in there, they shouldn't cover themselves on that. Say, I didn't talk about present on the issues. He has the right to do. So he has done what he's supposed to do. This is the man now when you're NDC, when you're MPP, they didn't give him the work to do. Anyway, a friend said, the lawyer, and said, the client, de facto prime minister. I know big case by the so Frank Massa. Case you want to find Cosao. Case we. And also lawyers be answer na mean you senior kind lawyer they want to defend criminal activities. I know what you say. And it's a criminal crime defending crime, say lawyer now defend it. But I don't see lawyers they all defending criminals. They go to defend the law. So you're not going to say, "Oh, one can someone in me," because most of the time people who do criminal things, they don't tell their lawyers the truth. So the lawyers go to the court to go and defend what they think they know. That's what I say. So for me, this appointment there, especially with Nanado, the MPP, who say they have the men. Who say they have the men.
Why don't they have the men?
PCO for Rika say, Nanado buy in terms of corruption, your friend, no crap, or number, no, see what him said, Nanado was a number. Say number where Rebecca corruption, I said, to me, in fact. PCO for Rika, can you? In fact, one of the if I say about corruption now, anti-corrupt crusader. In fact, Obaka corruption issue under the MPP in 2008. Everybody just got or John this in Yamanyama. They said it. And then another couple have blocked the number blacklist. Because no can you consider now the friend another crap. When Mr. Ronaldo walk away was signing number and inside number. To show his qualities. To show us that he should start from somewhere. And those are the things that Matami do Jay or Cassimin to me, on 30 and name to say, and pass this special prosecutor and Magana mine and Nino political party. That is why regulations here and say intimate transit between two governments. One time because of Christian Abano or Tibiko, he can go beyond any government. God is independent. But say Bayan say Gabi Gabi lawyer dia and Obaha or Ghana. The way I met Miaka. Oh, but I don't know. I don't think this man can serve this purpose.
Let us say you move on to and I am but all be for Fakao. Now you move on to the Galamsey issue.
You know, man, this way. Offer to you, Yampunina.
Celia.
Nichi Yablu Mukrampuni. And then I say, Amidu on your present to you be on your NDC on your MPP. He said, Amidu. Hey, Amidu in your NDC. Anyway, Mama.
No, I can't on record say. Say we're citizens vigilante. Me boa.
But honorable before I say breaking news mensaka wie a che say na grada na prosifo eche no de oye sika garines ana o say so de na yi o de ne life ama Yesu afa Yesu Kristo se ne kra na je kwa to obeye evangelist akanyame ase
amen
it way fence news breaker yensa
but do me say do no bia prisons do no majority they come back and then now know God but chair says chair omumu na kakra na e ba bio na e mo mpa say enka
e bi so back hardly
until yeah
especially this for no woman
oh what said that what did you
you see it is here there minu okay na me say bia obema nyina so bia entino ebia enua kisi ajaben ense emfata ayi say because sempa say onye o man adwuma da it won't be nye o man adwuma for the first time we can wo ye you for grade onyi te say
man ka adwuma o man adwuma
you were citing say president instances are original so they appoint Amidu ni be there because Amidu has been this, he has been that.
No, I didn't even mention of his. I'm talking about political affiliation. Because I always fight against. I always fight against people who. I have some challenge. Say Obi for Obi Ejuma. No, actually, say 5 years experience. I have that challenge. I have don't know that challenge.
Now we can say President Kadifa Amidu who answer no appointed.
He spoke about because he is. When you sitting vigilante, that is what the president said. He didn't talk about it's a Juma warrior.
No, man
can so.
Oh yes, I'm
don't push him to that one. No.
What's one casa? I'm for tea.
Let me kind of say, Gabi lawyer, the de facto prime minister of MPP.
You
let me kind.
I mean, that's when you who you know. Anyway. It's the end there.
Okay.
I mean, because I believe say Papa no that I can mean them very well.
Okay.
I said them can you know. Again. Sometimes nimpa or recommend the ono so no.
Okay. Honorable Bacho, just a moment.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no.
Needs FM.